Welcome to our review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, a flagship that strikes the perfect balance between cutting-edge innovation and practicality. Positioned just below the Ultra, the S25 Plus delivers premium features with a more streamlined package, making it an excellent choice for users who want top-tier performance without going all in on the Ultra size or extras. Let's dive into the details. Design and build quality. The Galaxy S25 Plus exemplifies Samsung's mastery in design. Measuring 158.4 by 75.8 by 7.3 mm and weighing 190 grams, it's slim, lightweight, and fits comfortably in the hand. The device features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, with an Armor Aluminum 2 frame, ensuring excellent durability while maintaining a sleek and refined appearance. Just like its bigger sibling, it's IP68 certified, making it resistant to dust and water, capable of surviving in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Whether you're at home, the office, or on an outdoor adventure, the S25 Plus is built to handle the elements. AI features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus takes personalized AI features to the next level, combining the compact functionality of the S25 with added power for seamless multitasking and creativity. Its Gemini AI system works with multimodal capabilities, allowing users to search, interact, and manage their phone more naturally. Upgraded AI-powered tools include Drawing Assist, which combines text, sketches, and image prompts for creative projects, and Call Transcript, summarizing conversations for easy follow-up. Generative Edit is a standout, providing on-device generative AI-powered editing for photos and videos, previously only available through cloud services. Privacy remains paramount with post-quantum cryptography, ensuring advanced protection against emerging threats. The Galaxy S25 Plus is the perfect balance of AI capabilities, making it ideal for users who want powerful yet secure tools for productivity and creativity. Display. Samsung continues to deliver industry-leading displays with a 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel on the Galaxy S25 Plus. With a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a pixel density of 513 ppi, this display is sharper than ever, delivering stunning detail and vibrant colors. The display supports HDR10+ for enhanced contrast and color accuracy and can reach a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The 120Hz adaptive refresh rate provides ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, while the always-on display adds convenience for quick glances at notifications and other information. Performance. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Plus is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. Its octa-core CPU, featuring two high-performance cores clocked at 4.47 GHz, ensures blazing fast speeds for demanding tasks, while the 6 efficiency cores handle everyday activities with optimized power consumption. The Adreno 830 GPU ensures top-tier graphics performance, whether you're gaming or editing videos. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB using the fast UFS 4.0 technology, the S25 Plus delivers lightning-fast multitasking and app performance. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the software experience is polished and intuitive, with support for 7 years of Android updates, keeping the phone future-proof. Camera system. The Galaxy S25 Plus features a versatile triple-camera setup that excels in nearly every shooting condition. A 50MP main sensor with dual-pixel PDF and OIS captures crisp and detailed shots, even in low light. A 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom is perfect for capturing distant subjects with precision. A 12MP ultra-wide lens with super steady video ensures sharp and distortion-free wide-angle shots. For video enthusiasts, the S25 Plus offers 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 60 frames per second, complete with HDR10+ and Euro EIS for smooth professional quality footage. Front camera. On the front, the 12MP selfie camera delivers excellent clarity and detail. With dual-pixel PDF, it's perfect for capturing selfies in any lighting condition. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, ensuring high-quality video calls and vlogging. Battery and charging. The Galaxy S25 Plus is equipped with a 4,900 mAh battery, designed to last all day, even with heavy use. The phone supports 45W wired charging, which can charge the battery to 65% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, 15W wireless charging and 4.5W reverse wireless charging provide flexible options for powering up your devices. Connectivity and features. The Galaxy S25 Plus offers the latest connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and ultra-wideband (UWB) for precise location tracking and advanced features. The USB-C 3.2 port supports DisplayPort 1.2, allowing you to connect to external displays for productivity or entertainment. Samsung's DeX mode is also supported, enabling a desktop-like experience when paired with a monitor.
What sets it apart?
The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus shines as a premium, well-rounded flagship. Its brilliant display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and versatile triple-camera system make it a top choice for users who want flagship features in a slightly smaller and lighter form factor compared to the Ultra. And with 7 years of software updates, this device is built to last.
Final thoughts.
The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus strikes an excellent balance of performance, design, and value. It's perfect for those who want the best of Samsung's flagship features in a sleek and manageable package. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, or just someone looking for a reliable, high-performance smartphone, the S25 Plus has you covered. Thank you for tuning in to our review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Stay connected for more insights on the latest tech gadgets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.